All right, here we go. Steve finishing off that black diamond case. There's a bonus right on top. Maybe that's a good omen because there's not very many times where it's right on top. Usually buried. Yeah, there should be another autograph. 3 autos, that's it. Niemi double diamond. Triple of Jonathan Bernier. Yeah, cards like this crack me up. Jonathan Bernier is a triple. Mike Modano's a double. Sidney Crosby. Wash my hands. I'm infected. And it's a base pack. I got the mumps. Oh, here we go. Jakub Voracek, number to 50, 8 of 50. Ruby. Double of Guy Lafleur. It's Guy. No jerseys in the first stack. Here we go. Triple of William Karlsson. Triple diamond rookie gems. Here's a quad. Adam Lowry quad. Rookie. Double of Corey Perry. And Wayne Simmons dual jersey. Triple of, yep, we're calling him PEB. We can call him PEB or Pebble. Pierre-Edouard Bellemare for Philly. Good old Pebs. Peter Forsberg for the Colorado Avalanche. Quad diamond. Fresh Prince of Bellemare. Colton Sissons, triple diamond rookie. Drew in. Come on. Where you at, buddy? Double of Steen, Alexander Steen. Off to a slow start this year compared to last year, but last year was a torrid start. Gets left, triple diamond for the Ducks. David Backus, double diamond. Uh-oh. 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 There we go. You chased it all the way, Steve. Yep. Oh, baby. Nathan McKinnon. Emerald auto numbered 6 of 10. McKinnon Emerald autograph numbered 6 of 10. Yahtzee. There he is. Yeah, he's a single. Oh, usually that happens though with like previous year's rookie. I mean, he's not God, but he's pretty good. I'm just kidding. I know. Ryan Sutter double. Yeah, not God, but pretty close. Yari Curry, triple diamond for Edmonton. And we still got your orange pack. Dwayne Rollison. Nice. Quad Diamond Orange of Stammer. Steven Stamkos. Very nice. And... uh-oh. It is! We did it! Jonathan Drouin. Quad Diamond Orange. Wow. What a box. Steve, you deserved it, man. You chased that box all the way to the end and you hit it. There you have it.